Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify HubSpot CRM reports in custom dashboards, full guide step by step clearly. To verify HubSpot CRM reports in custom dashboards, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the reports dashboard from the main menu. Identify the report or dashboard you want to verify. Click on the report to open it and review the data displayed. Check the date range at the top right corner of the report. Ensure the date range is set correctly for the period you want to analyze. Next, look at the specific metrics or KPIs that the report includes. Compare these metrics with data from other sources, if available. If you're using custom dashboards, access them by selecting Dashboards from the Reports menu. Select the dashboard you wish to verify. Review each widget on the dashboard for accuracy. For any specific widget, click on it to view more detailed data. Confirm the data presented is consistent with your expectations. If a report or dashboard uses filters, review the applied filters carefully. Make sure those filters reflect the data set you want to analyze. You can also download the report as a CSV or Excel file for a thorough examination. Open the downloaded file and cross-check the values against your report. After verifying the data, check for any customization or configurations in the reports. Ensure that any custom fields or properties used in the report are correctly defined in your CRM. If discrepancies are found, revisit the data source for clarification. Consider reaching out to your team if you notice any significant variations. Always keep your dashboard and report settings updated as your business needs change. Regularly verify your reports to maintain data integrity in your CRM. Once verification is complete, document any findings for future reference. This process will help ensure that your HubSpot CRM reports and dashboards are accurate and reliable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.